open it up. Take out the packs. Okay, here's the Pokemon packs. There's 20 cards inside it, you guys. Just like my other video of opening this one and this one. These are the coins to play the game. This is the dice to play the game. It looks so cool. Okay, now let's take out the covers to if we get a hyper rare Charizard. Let's put it right here. And these are the energies. Let's put them right here. And these are the cards. Look how many packs are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 packs, and now let's get open the card. The pack is really tight, and you don't want to break the card, so ask your parents to help you. And now let's get open. The names are really hard for me, so I'm gonna just make up words for them. Okay. Common, freezer. Common, ground meow. Growful, gasty. Tone ether, holograph. We got it! First things first, let's put in the protector before it gets scratched. Leaf energy, uncommon, Trump ice axe, uncommon, chain word, uncommon, Jane. Let's get these cards out. Common, grumble. Common, judo. Common, laying. Common, froggy. Common, crabber. Uncommon, scrotal holograph. Rare, Utsa, water energy. Uncommon,
Metapod.
Uncommon, Furrow. Uncommon, Rubber. Pack number 3. Sparrow. Common. Jigglypuff. Common.
Crabby.
Common.
Riolu.
Common.
Esper.
Common.
Welder.
Uncommon, holograph. Rare.
Purugly.
Probably.
or perugly?
Politically. Water type energy. Uncommon.
Koga's trap.
Koga's trap. Power plant. Uncommon. Trainer.
Charger bug.
Treasure bug. Uncommon. Take this rebel off. Okay, you guys can see it. Tell me though.
Tentacle.
Tentacle. Common. Sorry, you guys.
Aaron.
Urban. Common. True. Common.
Ghastly.
Ghastly. Common.
Tentacle. What? Tangela.
Tangela. Common. I can't see them.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Rare.
Melmetal.
No, rare. Energy. Power plant. Uncommon. Uncommon. Lino. Leron. Uncommon. Green.
Expiration. The end.
We were able to get 3 rare cards. Blastoise EX. Crocodile. Reverse holograph. Nemetal holograph. Do 3 things now. 1. Subscribe. Number 2. Give us a big thumbs up. Number 3. Comment down below which is your favorite one.